Half my family's sick, so I'm taking care of everyone. ChatGPT taught me something cool about ginger. Instead of using a knife like this, where it's really hard to get in between the little spots and you end up cutting a lot of the ginger away, it suggested I use a spoon instead. Watch this. Look at that. You can easily peel without getting rid of any of the root, and you can get in between all the little ginger fingers. It helps out a lot when we're making lemon ginger tea. I'm using my canning jar juicer to make the base for my tea. It's just lemons and ginger and then honey. And then I just add this to hot water to give to whoever needs it whenever I need it, and just put this in the fridge in the meantime.